Congratulations on the purchase of your new MDC Forbes Caravan. In this tutorial, I'll show you the Annex components that come with the under awning Annex in both the Forbes 13 Plus and the Forbes 15 Plus. The canvas components consist of a front wall. This front wall section is made up of two components, a sail track strip with Velcro on it, which attaches to the main wall sheet. To my left here is the end wall, which is made up of three components. A section of sail track with a hood on it that goes over the top of the awning across the top, and down one side, another sail track with a Velcro strip. All together makes a single component. Behind me is the PVC floor. Behind that is the draft skirt, which I've already attached. And to my right is the end wall for the front of the caravan, again made up of three pieces. A top section with sail track and Velcro down one side, and the main sheet for the wall. Now I'll show you the poles. To complete the set, we have three poles. One is a butt end pole, has a rubber cap either end. The other is a spigot pole with a rubber cap and a spigot at the top. And the bent pole, which puts a ridge in the roof to stop water pooling. Here we have the clamping struts. These are like an anti-flap kit. They fit along the awning and clamp the canvas on the top of the awning. And in the case of an Annex, they have a sail track up the back that allows us to slide the end walls in. That completes the entire setup.